Proper exterior illumination enhances your home's beauty, security, and functionality. Whether you're looking to improve your landscaping aesthetics, increase safety, or create an inviting atmosphere, selecting the right outdoor lighting for your flower mound property is essential. With so many options available, it's important to consider design, energy efficiency, and practical needs. Here's a guide to help you choose the best exterior lighting solutions for your home. Identify your outdoor lighting needs. Before selecting lighting, consider the primary reasons you need outdoor illumination. Security. Motion-activated floodlights to deter intruders. Aesthetic appeal. Landscape lighting to highlight trees, pathways, and architectural features. Functionality. Porch, deck, and patio lighting for visibility and convenience. Safety. Pathway and driveway lights to prevent trips and falls. Entertainment. String lights and soft accent lighting for outdoor gatherings. Understanding your goals helps you choose the right type of lighting for your property. Consider different types of outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting comes in various styles, each serving a unique purpose. Here are the most common options. A. Pathway and walkway lights. Illuminate sidewalks, driveways, and garden paths. Enhance safety while adding a warm, inviting glow. Solar-powered options available for energy efficiency. B. Floodlights and motion sensor light. Provide high-intensity illumination for security. Motion-activated models help deter trespassers. Ideal for driveways, garages, and entryways. C. Landscape and garden lighting. Highlight trees, shrubs, and flower beds. Create depth and ambiance in outdoor spaces. Choose low-voltage LED fixtures for energy efficiency. D. Deck and patio lighting. Improve visibility and ambiance for outdoor gatherings. Includes recessed lights, step lights, and hanging lanterns. Smart lighting options available for remote control. E. Wall and sconce light. Enhance home entrances and exterior walls. Add architectural appeal while improving security. Choose designs that match your home's style. By mixing and matching different types, you can create a well-lit and visually appealing outdoor space. Prioritize energy efficiency. With rising energy costs, it's important to choose energy-efficient lighting options. Consider the following. LED lights. Use up to 80% less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. Solar-powered lights. Eco-friendly and cost-effective, ideal for pathways and gardens. Smart lighting systems. Automated scheduling and dimming features reduce unnecessary energy usage. Investing in energy-efficient lighting saves money while reducing your carbon footprint. Choose lighting that complements your home's design. The right lighting should complement your home's architecture and landscaping. Here's how. Modern homes. Sleek, minimalist lighting fixtures with LED technology. Traditional homes. Lantern-style sconces and warm-toned bulbs. Rustic or farmhouse styles. Iron, bronze, or wood-finished fixtures. Luxury homes. Statement lighting, uplighting, and smart automation. Select fixtures that blend functionality and style to enhance your property's overall aesthetic. Focus on proper placement for maximum impact. Strategically placing outdoor lighting ensures maximum efficiency and visual appeal. Entryway and porch lighting ensure proper illumination for guests and security. Driveway and walkways install path lights for safety and curb appeal. Accent features use spotlights to highlight trees, statues, or water features. Fences and borders add soft lighting for a cozy, inviting atmosphere. A well-lit property not only enhances security but also adds charm and sophistication. Opt for smart outdoor lighting solution. Smart lighting technology allows for customized, remote-controlled outdoor lighting. Benefits include automated timers and dimmers to adjust brightness as needed. Motion sensors for security lighting that activates only when necessary. App-controlled lighting to turn lights on, off remotely. Color-changing options for seasonal decor or ambiance control. By integrating smart outdoor lighting, you enhance convenience while optimizing energy use. Work with a professional for best results. While DIY lighting installation is possible, working with a professional lighting expert ensures proper wiring and safety compliance. Optimal placement for aesthetics and efficiency. Long-lasting and durable installations. A professional will design and install a customized lighting system that meets your specific needs and enhances your property's value. Final thoughts. Illuminate your flower mound property the right way. Investing in the right exterior lighting transforms your flower mound property into a safer, more attractive, and functional space. Whether for security, entertainment, or aesthetics, choosing the best outdoor lighting ensures lasting beauty and efficiency. Ready to upgrade your outdoor lighting? Consult with a local lighting expert to explore the best solutions for your home. With thoughtful lighting choices, you'll enjoy a beautifully illuminated property year-round.